Okay, buenos días y bienvenidos a la semana 8. Es la octava semana. Okay, so I'm going to go over what you're going to be doing this week, and it is kind of a short week. Okay, we are going to have like a break in between, so we're going to do the first part of chapter 4 this week, but we're also going to review it when we come back from break. And so it may seem like there's not too many activities this week for you, so you can also start working on your next cultural presentation, which we'll be doing in a couple weeks. Okay, so the first thing, obviously, that you want to do is watch the video, which again, I will place right here. Okay, this week you're going to learn about daily routines and activities, so you'll be able to talk about and describe your daily routines, things like waking up and getting up and showering and bathing and washing your face and brushing your teeth, etc. You'll be able to distinguish between when someone is talking about things that are close by or far away, as well as express these same concepts to others, both in written form and spoken exchange. And you'll be able to recognize and use in brief spoken exchanges words associated with the patient intake form, part 2. Okay, so again, you'll be watching the Lista General, reading the textbook, and doing the corresponding MSL activities, studying the vocabulary terms for patient intake form, part 2, and take the vocabulary quiz 1. And again, this week, I noticed that several of you have yet to sign up, but I will be meeting with you virtually online through my Adobe Connect. And so you do need to go to my Google Calendar to sign up for a time. Okay, so make sure you do that. I'm going to pause just one moment. Okay, welcome back. So here is, again, a list of the work you're going to be doing. And you have, again, in 2 places, right here and right here, where I would definitely recommend you download the Semana 8 plan. Remember, this plan breaks down only the MSL activities and corresponding textbook pages, as well as any quizzes. Okay. This week, we're going to be covering pages 100 through 112. You'll complete the quiz in Blackboard, and the quiz is only 5 minutes, and I'll explain why in a moment. Okay, there are no dialogues, but again, you need to make sure that you sign up for a time, and I've set aside specific times for SPA118, so please sign up for a time through my Google Calendar. Keep logging in the language or the hour for the language contact presentation. And this week also, you'll be signing up for a day and time to take the midterm oral exam. Okay. So the next thing in Blackboard that we have is the quiz over the vocabulario. And when we click on the quiz, we see here is the second part of the patient intake form. So you'll watch this video, you'll take notes, you'll study the vocabulary, and when you are done, you will take the quiz. Okay. Part 2. And this is a matching activity, so that's why it is only 5 minutes. And this will be one that will be auto-corrected by the computer. Okay. Okay. The next thing you'll see here is you're going to be signing up for your midterm oral exam appointment with me. The midterm oral exam is going to be held specifically March 13th, 14th, and 15th. Okay. And so I have another link here to my Google Calendar for you to sign up on a time, but you will have to kind of move ahead. When it first pops up, it shows up for the current week, so you will need to move forward to the appropriate week, which is March 11th through 15th. You'll find the times. They're titled SPA118 Midterm Oral Exam, and you'll create an appointment. And please make sure that you are signed up by March 11th. If you fail to attend your appointment without official documentation and or without contacting me with a reason and requesting a reschedule, you're going to receive a 0. Okay. If you cannot make your original appointment, don't just change it on change your appointment on the calendar, also contact me so that we can agree upon the time to meet. Okay? And this Friday, when I do my next video, I will be putting up a study guide, so you'll have it throughout spring break on the exact format and how the oral exam will be. Okay. Now, the recursos for this week. Okay, we have, more practicing with verb conjugation, question formatting, some of the grammar we're covering in this chapter. We're doing reflexive verbs, demonstrative adjectives and pronouns, direct object pronouns, okay, present progressive, and the use of hacer in time expressions. Okay. And here's just more of a cultural video if you are interested in watching that. Okay, and that was done by a prior instructor. Okay, so that is really it for Semana 8. It's kind of a brief week, so that hopefully you can get things done and be able to enjoy your spring break. Okay, I look forward to meeting with all of you this week. Gracias. Adios.